Greetings everyone. Alright, we're looking at scheduling the 2023 workshops. At the moment we have October, November, December for the 6 workshops, starting with the elastic force, intrinsic energies, the initiation, the evocation, Kabbalah, and then the teacher's course. We're going to do them 10-day workshops, 2 a month. If there's any requests earlier for workshops on elastic force Qigong, or if any return students want to do the intrinsic energies, just let me know. I'm not sure what country I'm going to be in. Most probably Japan and possibly the Philippines. So if you have a request, just let me know and I'll put it on the workshop schedule. Any requests outside of October, November, December will be small groups, because I won't be getting renting a venue as such. It'll just be from a local park, or we'll get an Airbnb that can seat 2, 3, 4 people and do it that way. So for those of you who are interested in attending next year, just let me know your thoughts, and the people who have gone through the 6 workshops already, we're having a yearly meetup. Most probably at the moment we're looking at September at the retreat for just 1 month of practice, but there's a possibility we might run in Japan. We'll sort of put it to the vote and see what everybody wants to do. If everybody rather shorten it down to 1 to 2 weeks and just stay at a nicer resort, then we'll look at that option. But nothing too fixed on that meetup. For those people who want to who have gone through the training, want to attend that, or other long-term students who haven't gone through the 6 workshops specifically but have been practicing with me for a decade or longer, just message me and we can organise a location for that. Alright, thanks for your time, and keep in touch.